Alright guys, to get started you want to pick your favorite backend web framework. I like to use GoGen for this example, and I go ahead and create my API, and with the routes and the HTTP handler associated with the route. The first step you want to do in the handler is bind the data. So to bind the data, you usually make a struct along with the fields and properties you'll be using, and make sure to have a proper JSON and form data struct tag. For this example, you just need a form struct, and this is an example on Postman. So we're using form data as the post body content, so it lets you use text and file based properties, which is awesome. Just make sure to make the image property a multipart.file header, and then the binding should work. Now, next on, we want to write the image to our machine locally. It varies the way this is done on many web frameworks, but if you do it in Gin the way I did it, you should see it be saved to your local machine. Now moving on, after you wrote the image, you can go ahead and upload to MinIO, which is the final step in the handler. But uploading the MinIO image is its own process, so here it is. First thing I do is I open up the file. So the file that's written into my machine is now opened in my MinIO upload function. So this file is very crucial because you needed to get the metadata and the content type correct. Without getting these correct, your image is not going to render on the browser correctly. So make sure to get it right, whether it's an image, a JPEG, or PNG. But yeah, once you have that, you can feel free to upload to MinIO. MinIO has really good documentation, whether you're using JavaScript, Java, Golang, Python, right? So make sure to read it if you're using something else, and make sure to delete the file, and you should be all set. So once these upload was successful, the image should now be written into the bucket successfully, and you can access the image by using the access point of your MinIO console, the bucket name, and then the file name. And now once you do that, you can see I have an image tag here with the external source of being exactly what I just said, and that means the front end can access the picture successfully. So that was the uploading file. Hope you guys learned something. Peace.